you all for the valedictory ceremony of the 6th Kudremukh Trophy and All India Open FIDE rated Rapid Chess Tournament 2024. I hope you all have enjoyed the Kudremukh Trophy for 2 days. How was the tournament? Did you all enjoy it? Yes, thank you. The feedback is good. Later on, we'll call you for the stage for the feedback. Cash prizes. Please see that your names are exactly written. The spelling is correct. Outside, Mr. Rohit is issuing the checks for the cash winners. The participants were at their best, exhibiting the spirit of the competition. And the enthusiasm in the 2 days was surely seen in the glowing faces of all the participants. Competitions fill us with enthusiasm, which is a vital change in the cycle of routines. It inspires the participants and the spectators both. And today, to commence the valedictory ceremony, I would kindly request our chess tournament coordinator, Shri Chetan K. Shetty, who is also the Senior Manager HR&A, to escort the dignitaries onto the dais. Our Direction and Projects, Shri G.V. Kiran sir. We have our chief guest of today, Managing Director of Mangalore Refinery, Raj Mangalore, Shri R.D. Prabhu sir, and Chief General Manager, Production, Shri P. Padani sir, and President of Dakshin Kannada Chess Association, Shri Ramesh Kotai. Welcome is a ray of sunshine to spread the glow of brightness around us. To present the welcome address, I would kindly request our Chief General Manager, Production, and President of Kudremukh Sports and Recreational Council, Shri P. Padani sir, to welcome the gathering.
A very good evening to all the dignitaries on and off the dais, to all the dear children, parents, and all senior participants. The noble gathering present here for the valedictory ceremony of the 6th Kudremukh Trophy and All India Open FIDE Rating Rapid Chess Tournament 2024. 2 days have passed contributing to intellectual gymnastics, and the king and fawn have gone back to their box. The glow on the faces of the participants has ensured us their satisfaction in participating in our tournament. The competition conducted in the age-wise categories and open category with special prizes for Best Veteran, Best Youngest Player, Best Dakshina Kannada Player, and Best Woman Player, with a total cash prize of around rupees 3 lakhs. Along with 185 trophies, has surely embarked history, and we have to wait as the scores needs to be announced. We are all waiting for the results now. We wish that this tournament will be a mark in the history with the highest scoring champions. I am pleased to be standing here for a divine inclination of welcoming all. On this significant occasion, on the closure of the 2-day tournament of 6th Kudremukh Trophy, I am overjoyed in welcoming the chief guest, the Delegate Managing Director of MRPL, respected Sri Sanjay Verma, who is gracing our valedictory ceremony. Sir, as an array of greenery is a pleasure to the soul, I request our respected Director Production and Projects, Sri G.V. Kiran sir, to welcome our respected chief guest, MD of MRPL, by offering a sapling. Thank you, sir. We are overwhelmed with the presence of our beloved industrious leader, our Director Production and Projects, Sri G.V. Kiran sir, who is gracing this function. I heartily welcome you, sir. I request our Senior Manager HR&A, Sri Chetan Kumar Chetty, to welcome our Director Production Project by offering a sapling. I am ecstatic to see our respected supporting Chief General Manager in charge, Mangalore, Sri R.D. Prabhu, here today. A warm welcome to you, sir. I request Sri Sudhir Kumar, Manager Process Control, to welcome our Chief General Manager in charge, Mangalore, by offering a sapling. Thank you. We are indeed obliged to have President of Dakshina Kannada Chess Association, Sri Ramesh Kota, who is indeed indebted in extending a warm welcome to you, sir. I request Mr. Sripan to offer him a sapling. Thank you. Our chief arbiter, international arbiter Sri Vasant is lively and very enthusiastic, has spared his precious time with us, and his interaction with the participants and problem solving skills is indeed enchanting. We heartily welcome him for this eminent presence. I request Sri Maunesh, Manager Contracts, to welcome him with a sapling. Our arbiters have indeed strived a lot today to make this tournament a success. I am indeed exultant in welcoming Chief Arbiter Sri Sakshat UK, Deputy Arbiter Sri Umanath Kapu, Sri Babu Pujari, Srimati Saundarya for gracing this occasion. I would request our committee members Sri Dinesh Impi, Sri Murali, Sri Sridhar Valla, Srimati Kalpita to welcome the arbiters with flowers. Today, we are delighted to have with us Srimati Rita Verma, Madam of Sri Sanjay Verma. We wholeheartedly welcome you, Madam, to this ceremony. Of every competitor, as we have seen today, the parents who have cheered their children at the time most needed by them. My heartfelt welcome to all the parents. Welcome you all. As a saying goes, with the grace, lose with dignity. Our participants have indeed strived their best, and one right move by the competitor has made them a winner. But as practice makes life better, if you are not big enough to lose, you are not big enough to win. So take it as a challenge, and you shall surely have a chance next time. Congratulating the winners, I welcome all the participants once again. It is indeed gratifying to look around to see our eminent officials and employees seated here. I extend a friendly welcome to all the departmental heads, senior officials, Officer Association office bearers, Kudremukh Shramma Shakti and Kudremukh Mazdoor Sangh representatives, SC/ST and WIPS Association representatives, and Assistant Commandants ASF and all employees. Welcome one and all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for the warm welcome. Our Executive Trainee, Sri Rupesh Kumar, to please welcome our Chief General Manager, Production, Sri P. Palni, sir, with the sapling. We have been successfully conducting the tournament, chess tournament from the past 2017 on. This 2024 chess tournament, the 6th Kudremukh Trophy, has been commenced yesterday, and to give the brief of the tournament, I would kindly request our Senior Manager, HR and Administration, and the tournament coordinator, Sri Chetan K. Shetty, to please come upon the dais.
Enthusiasts and future grandmasters, it fills me with immense pride to stand before you today celebrating the culmination of the 6th Kudremukh Trophy chess tournament. This remarkable event has become a testament to KIOCL's unwavering commitment for fostering young talent and promoting the spirit of the sportsmanship. Over the past 2 days, we have witnessed brilliant minds strategize, maneuver, and ultimately conquer the checkered battlefield. Each move, each sacrifice has resonated with the words of Bobby Fischer, chess is thinking. Your passion and dedication have created a spectacle worthy of applause, proving that every player, regardless of the outcome, is a true champion. To the winners, congratulations. Your victory is sweet reward for your tireless practice and unwavering focus. Remember, as Nelson Mandela so wisely said, the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Let this triumph be a springboard for even greater achievements. To those who did not reach the podium, remember, chess is not a game of perfect moves. As Tarash reminds us, learn from your experience, hone your skills, and come back stronger. Every loss is stepping stone for future victories. But chess more than just competition. It is tapestry woven with camaraderie, sportsmanship, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the parents, the coaches, and tireless organizing committee and every individual who contributed to making this tournament a resonating success. KIOSL Chess Journey, cultivating champions since 2017. It is not just about checkered squares, the strategic moves, and the crowning of champions for KIOSL Chess has been passion project. A 6-year journey of nurturing young talent and fostering a vibrant chess community across India. This year's 6th Kudremukh Trophy is a testament to that commitment, drawing an impressive 376 participants from all corners of the nation. The seeds were sown in 2017 with the Taluk Inter-School Tournament, a humble gathering of 190 enthusiastic young minds. Witnessing their passion, KIOSL embarked on an ambitious expansion, hosting a state-level tournament for children just the next year. The response was overwhelming, with 202 participants battling it out in various age groups. Fueled by this enthusiasm, KIOSL took a bold step in 2018, launching the first Kudremukh Trophy, the first national level All India Open Federating Rapid Chess Tournament. It was a spectacle like no other, attracting 333 participants from all over India, including Russian national settled in India, a Guinness record holder. From 4.5 years old prodigy to a seasoned player of 65, the tournament truly showcased the diversity and passion of Indian chess scene. The years that followed saw KIOSL unwavering dedication. The second Kudremukh Trophy in 2019 witnessed another stellar turnout of 334 players, with participants from across the country battling for 165 trophies. The event even crowned its first international master champion, Sri Vivani Anthony Diconna. Even the pandemic could not dampen KIOSL spirit. In 2021, adhering to safety guidelines, the third Kudremukh Trophy took place in an inter-district open chess tournament, distributing 85 trophies and reigniting the flame of competition. With the easing of restrictions, KIOSL returned to its national stage in 2022, hosting the fourth Kudremukh Trophy with 291 participants and witnessing Grand Masters and International Masters grace the board. The year ended with the fifth Kudremukh Trophy, drawing an even larger pool of 416 players and crowning International Master Sri Ritviz Prarab from Goa as a champion. The sixth Kudremukh Trophy, standing tall even amidst lingering concerns about COVID, is a culmination of this past year's efforts. It's a testament to KIOSL unwavering commitment to chess, to the tireless dedication of organizers and volunteers, and most importantly, to the passion and talent of the player themselves. So, As we celebrate the winners and acknowledge the participants, let us also remember the remarkable journey of Kudremukh Trophy. It is a story of growth, of inclusivity, and nurturing dreams on the 64 black and white squares. And we are confident that this is just a beginning. The future of Indian chess holds immense promise, and KOSL will continue to be part of it. One move, one tournament, one champion at a time. As we did farewell to this year's tournament, let us carry the spirit of chess beyond the board. Let its lesson to patience, strategy, and resilience guide us in every aspect of life. Here's to the next chapter of KOSL chess journey and the birth of the many more chess champions. In this event, I also would like to thank IOCL management and the KOSL team effort of the chess committee members, arbiters, and last but not least, District Dakshina Kannada Chess Association President Sri Ramesh Kota, all the efforts. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you very much, Chetan sir. Ideas are the currency of our next success. Words have energy and power with ability to help, to heal, to hinder, to hurt or harm, humiliate or humble. Now, I hope you all have understood what I am telling you all. We would like to have feedback from you all to improve ourselves, to improvise ourselves. If we are conducting the next 7th Kudremukh Trophy in future, I think your feedback will surely help us to improvise ourselves. So I'm requesting the participants, the junior participants, senior participants, the parents of the junior participants to please come on stage and give us your valuable feedback so that we can try to improve ourselves in the next tournament, while conducting the next tournament. I kindly request you all to please come up to the stage. Parents, participants, thank you sir for commencing the feedback session. आ जाइए सर आप, आपका जो स्पिरिट है वो किसी के पास नहीं है, हम सब छोटे आपका एंथुजियाज्म और स्पिरिट के सामने 84 years player श्री आपके गुप्ता सर.
लोगों से टूर्नामेंट और जगह का पहचान होती है. लोग अच्छे हैं तो टूर्नामेंट भी अच्छा है, सभी कुछ अच्छा है और सभी लोगों का हमको प्यार मिला है. यहाँ पर मैं तीसरी बार आया हूँ और आता रहूँगा जब तक लाएंगे. और सभी कुछ अच्छा खासा, सभी कुछ अच्छा खाने से लेकर और ग्राउंड वगैरह, खाने से लेकर के ग्राउंड वगैरह बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. बच्चे भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, आ जाते थे दादा दादा और प्ले भी सबके साथ. थैंक यू सर.
और धन्यवाद. Some other player, I think the junior most. Yes, we have a small player here. छोटा वाला बच्चा.
ಚೆಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆಂದಾಗಿದೆ, ಊಟ ತುಂಬ ಸೂಪರಾಗಿದೆ, ಊಟ ತುಂಬ ಸೂಪರಾಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Master Samarth, somebody else please from the audience. So we will think that our tournament was the best. There are no negative sessions at all. Yes, the claps are more than enough for us. Thank you each one of you for your support and for your what do you say, the respect you all have shown to us by just clapping your hands, and that says everything. I think nobody is coming to the stage and speaking any positives or negative against us.
Namaskar. Good evening everyone, respected dignitaries on the dais and after the dais. We are from Shimoga. My two daughters are playing in this tournament. I have just come here to express my views. So we have been to the few more tournaments in the past 1.5 year. However, this tournament which we have seen is simply best and excellent, which we have seen ever. I really congratulate all the employees of KYUCL as well as volunteers and all the organizers on this great achievement. It really encourages all the parents. Along with us, definitely we will inform other parents to participate in these kind of tournaments, because wherever we go, we have never seen such this kind of organized way of conducting the tournaments. So this has come true with all the support of the volunteers as well as the staffs of KIOCL. So I really, on behalf of the parents, sir, on behalf of the parents, probably definitely all the parents watch with me. We should congratulate them on this, and definitely these kind of tournaments should be continued further to encourage all the youngsters, young students. Thank you for giving this opportunity to say something on this.
Thank you, Tejas sir. That means a lot to us, and we surely, if our management approves, we'll surely try to conduct the next tournament. And now, sir, your name? D.D. Kulkarni is here to, retired manager of LIC. So he's here to give his views.
Respected dignitaries on dais and off the dais, we are in the closing ceremony. I am seeing relaxed the mood of all parents and also children. Congratulations for all winners. And okay, whoever is losing, they have missed the opportunity. Next time is there, so many tournaments are there, and it is a stepping stone for all kids. As far as tournament is concerned, sir, when we are playing, we don't know how many are playing. Such a nice tournament I have not seen. Discipline, maintaining timing, and also food is excellent. And really, I have to appreciate the organizers and KIOCL for excellent arrangement. In the coming years also, now chess is becoming more popular, and we will see more champions. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kulkarni sir. Anybody else is here? Your name? Kiyaksh. Master Kiyaksh is here.
Hello everybody, my name is Kyanj. I have started chess at 2-3 years back. And Kudremukh tournaments are the best tournaments ever. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. That was really a touching phrase you have told. It really means a lot.
Good evening, parents and the dignitaries of the dais. We are from Bangalore, and we have been coming here for the second time. And you just see the vibes of the positive vibes and which comes from the top down, right? If you look from a management perspective also, if there's a management which has a clear intent of doing well and promoting chess, and then you see the team who is dedicatedly working so hard to just bring this positive vibes and continue the progress of the children. So we also have tried organizing tournaments in Bangalore. We have done a couple of them, and it really tells you the amount of efforts that goes into making a tournament success. A lot of parents would agree, who would have participated, who would have contributed to running a tournament, that it's not only those 2 days event, it's the planning of almost 15 days to 20 days that a team has to put. And we will possibly go with a lot of good memories, but the team has to also continue working for the next 3 to 4 days, even to wrap up the whole progress, right? So really hats off to the team management, and especially the team. You see all kind of age group of people, irrespective of the gender and the age group, who come together and want to give the best experience to us. I would only request parents to further promote this kind of tournaments, so that there are a couple of more such successful tournaments in these areas. Thank you.
Santosh Kumar sir.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಈ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತುಂಬ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡುವಂತಹ ಶಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವಂತಹ ಟೀಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಡೋ ಹೈಜಿನಿಕ್ ಫುಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಡೋ ಹೈಜಿನಿಕ್ ಟ್ರೋಫೀಸ್. ನವೇಡೇಸ್ ಟ್ರೋಫೀಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್. ಮೋರ್ ಎವರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಟು ಬಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಥರ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಜನರು ಹಬ್ಬ ಥರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. Really, we're thankful to all the organizers and KIOCL. Really one of the amazing tournament it is. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕಡಿಮೆನೆ ಈ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಹಾಲ್, ಸೊ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಡೋ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೂ ಇವರು ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಅವರ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್, ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ನ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಈ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆವರ್ ಮಿಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
Thank you very much, sir. That means a lots to our management as well as all the committee members and volunteers involved in this tournament. And now we have Avani, Miss Avani.
A very good evening to everyone. This was a wonderful tournament organized by KIOCL. I request you, sir, to conduct a 5 days classical tournament in the upcoming years. Thank you.
Faisal, Master Faisal is here.
Good morning to all. My name is Faisal Salman. The tournament is very nice. Playground, tiffin, lunch. My state is Tamil Nadu. I am studying from 5th standard. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. That was a very nice phrase. Nice playground and nice lunch. Okay, one more Avani is here.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अवनी सावईकर है. मैं अंडर 9 में हूँ. आज की टूर्नामेंट मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. खाना, प्लेग्राउंड और इस टूर्नामेंट का सब कुछ अच्छा था. मुझे ये टूर्नामेंट बहुत पसंद आई. थैंक यू.
Thank you, dear child. That was Avani. Yeah, I think any parent has not come up. One parent may please come up and give your views. And that will complete. I think you're waiting for your trophies, I know that. Just one parent, last one parent.
I am representing parent as well as the Dakshina Kannada Chess Association unit. Dignitaries in the dais, of the dais and players. First of all, I congratulate KOCL for this wonderful mega event. Please give big hands to the KOCL. Already all are told this is the wonderful event by all means, by organization, hospitality and their hygienicity. Everywhere they have maintained everything, their class. This is not only in Karnataka, throughout India we can see this type of tournament. The very big applause to the KOCL. And also I request the KOCL management and the MRPL MD sir. Already last October we did one classical tournament in Bangalore, and in future we are going for the classical tournament as well as rapid tournament also. I request both the KOCL and MRPL join hands with us and support us in the future. Thanks one and all.
Thank you very much, sir. I think we will conclude our feedback session. Today, in this valedictory function of the 6th Kudremukh Trophy, we are extremely delighted as we have amongst our luminaries the chief guest of today's function, the Delegate Managing Director of Mangalore Refineries and Petrochemicals Limited, MRPL, Shri Sanjay Verma, sir. May I kindly take the honor in requesting you, sir, for delivering the words of wisdom on this momentous occasion.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. Very good evening to you all. Dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, ladies, gentlemen, chess enthusiasts and players, I am truly honored to stand before today as a chief guest of this prestigious Kudremukh Trophy Chess Tournament 2024. As a managing director of a mega public sector refinery, my world is often filled with complexity of the energy sector. However, today I find myself immersed in a different kind of a strategic landscape, a captivating, intellectually stimulating world of chess. Chess, as we all know, is not merely a game. It is an art, a science, a relentless pursuit of excellence. It requires a unique blend of strategy, foresight, and mental attitude. The parallels between the intricate moves on a chessboard and the strategic decisions made in a business world are uncanny. In the game of chess, every piece has its own significance, just like every individual in our society plays a vital role. Each move, whether it is a pawn advancing or a queen maneuvering, contributes to an unfolding narrative of the game. Similarly, in our interconnected world, the choices we make as an individual, as organization, and as a society at large shape us, our collective journey for future. The chess teaches us a valuable lesson that extends beyond the board. It instills patience, resilience, and ability to think several moves ahead. These qualities are not only essential in the game of chess, but also critical for the success in all walks of life. As somebody deeply involved in meeting the energy security of the nation, I see interconnectedness of our decisions and their far-reaching consequences. Just as a chess player anticipates the opponent move, we must anticipate and navigate the challenges and the opportunities come in our way. The adaptability to learn and to make informed decisions is what sets the great leaders and the chess masters apart. I want to commend each and every participant in this tournament for their dedication, discipline, and the passion of the chess. Your commitment in honing your skills, facing the formidable opponents, mirror the spirit of excellence that is essential for the success in any field. My compliments to KOICL for conducting this 2 days All India Open FIDE Rating Rapid Chess Tournament 2024 for 6th time in a row. I think they deserve a big applaud. I am glad to note that this tournament, 376 participants from many states of India, including one NRI from Canada, 3 international masters and 3 FIDE masters participated in this. Even more heartening was to see the youngest participant and the oldest participant. The youngest one was of 4 years and the eldest one, Shri Gupta ji, was of around 84 years. I mean, heartening to see this kind of a participation cutting across the age. That makes a true contribution to the success of this chess tournament. I would like to express my gratitude to the organizers, sponsors, coaches, and everyone who has played a vital role in making this event possible. Your efforts have contributed not only to development of the chess, but also to the fostering of a community that values intellectual pursuits, and strategic thinking. In conclusion, let me reiterate my admiration for the chess community and its remarkable individuals. As you engage in the battles on the board, remember that the skills that you are honing extend far beyond the tournament. They are shaping you into an individual that will make a significant impact on our nation and at large at the world level. Thank you for inviting me, for being a part of this great event. I wish all the participants the very best and may the best strategist emerge out. I would like to see many more P. Ramesh Babu and Vaishali Ramesh Babu in the prize distribution ceremony. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for those inspiring words. And moving on, I would kindly request our ever supportive, encouraging and diligent Director Production and Projects Sri G.V. Kiran sir to please enlighten us on this occasion.
Respected MD of MRPL, Sri Sanjay Verma ji, my colleagues who are there, Mr. Prabhu and Mr. Palni and Mr. Ramesh Kote, and all the family members who are there present, and Madam also who has come from to grace this occasion. So good evening to all of you, and it is wonderful to see again. Actually, every year we do before the year ends in December. This year we have slightly done in the first week of January. We were thinking that the exams getting closer, the participation will slightly reduce. But however, seeing the numbers what we see now, the participation, we are very happy. And I actually thank all the parents who have come here and to participate along with their children and the participants who have come. A good, actually, we thank from all of our sides. Secondly is that as all of them have told about the chess and other things, nowadays chess, because it's proved that its origin is from India and it's basically an Indian game, and gone, actually it was more of a player of, they used to say it's a play of war and other things, but nowadays the war is not conducted by horses and elephants. Nowadays missiles and other things have come. So however, not being the war of the game, but it's, as they said, it's a game of mental thinking, resilience, patience. Actually, it's a part of, if you see on that, like people say Bhagavad Gita now is a modern management. Chess is a game of life, and it teaches all the children a very good thing, because the best thing is that the move is, they have, for every move they have to think. So that makes a person that a very good thing in the life, that before you speak something, you should think and then speak. That is also one thing. And everyone who plays chess definitely has to strategize the thinking that what is the opponent's move, a good move and a bad move. There is nothing like people who have, I want to congratulate all the winners who are there. And the second thing, who have not won it, it is not that they have lost the game. It is basically the timely move, actually. One wrong move or one right move, that makes the game win or decision. That is basically. Second thing, as I think Mr. Sanjay Verma ji has told very clearly, every player in the chess has got his own importance. I have seen sometimes when we used to play, even the pawn has got the right to give a checkmate to the king. So even he is small, but he has got the power to give a checkmate. So the king, the queen, the pawn, the knights, and everyone has got the power, the teamwork. It is basically, it is a teamwork, how to close the game in one way. So these are all things which are there, very learning things which we are there. And I remember people always used to say chess is an intelligent game, but nowadays it's quite popular and they are doing all that. So these are the things. But however, I definitely, I would like that requesting that all the participants who have come, we are very grateful that you have all come from, because different states, it is out of the 370 who have congratulated the winners, congratulate who are the participants also, and I thank our guests also who have come, and Mr. Sanjay Verma ji who has agreed to come for this occasion. So with this, I I am waiting, and let's have the winner team. That the list is ready, and I understand. I just wanted to tell that the team which is arbitrator, Mr. Vasant and team has come. They conduct. We are actually grateful to have that team with us, and they do it very meticulously. We have learned a discipline with that, and actually I want to thank all the participants also that they have cooperated with us to have the timings, the charts which are there, the cooperating the slips which are there giving, and the discipline also. So it is basically both. It is a reciprocation. We have tried and you have also helped us. So that is the team. It happens, and with that. And I just wanted to have our, although it is Saturday and Sunday, and all our organizers who are there, I said that they have done a wonderful job, and the feedback is telling that all the team members who are there, the organizing team, I want to congratulate them for this great event, what they have done, very good on that. Yeah. Thank you very much, and let's wait for the results. And I would like the results to come fast so that the trophy which is now rotating should be in on one's hand. Yeah, thank you.
Shri G.V. Kiran sir to present a small memento to our chief guest. As a fact of appreciation, thank you very much, sir. And as a fact of appreciation for the physically challenged, we are just presenting a small token from our side to the non-winners in the physically challenged category. Shri Kavi Yarasanam, Kavi Yarasan. Physically challenged category, Basvaraj M. Kaulagi. Are you here? Physically challenged category, Shri Basvaraj M. Kaulagi. Shri Hari R. To conclude the valedictory state ceremony, rather than the not the conclusion of the state ceremony, because the prizes will be distributed later, to thank the unseen hands who have contributed for the success of this program. I would kindly request Shri Sudhir, Manager Process Control, to present the vote of thanks.
Good evening, one and all. Each game is a new challenge which has to be dealt with rationally and systematically. At that time, every other thought fades into oblivion. The Grandmaster Vishwanath Anand had said, recollecting his words, I extend my warm wishes to all for being present in the inauguration ceremony of 6th Kudremukh Trophy, All India Level Rapid Chess Tournament 2024. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the winners and wishing the best of luck for all the participants. We cannot let the sun go down without saying thank you, and without admitting the gratitude is an exceptional word for life in it. It embodies the gesture of our heart for expressing the gratefulness of our soul, and today a deep sense of indebtedness bestows in me to convey my gratefulness towards the congregation of all the luminous present here. I, on behalf of this august gathering and on my own behalf, convey my deep regards and gratitude to our respected Chairman cum Managing Director, Sri T. Swaminathan, for being a source of encouragement and support. Thank you, sir. We are indeed overwhelmed in expressing our gratitude to the Managing Director of MRPL, Sri Sanjay Verma, for his esteemed presence. We are extremely grateful for your gracious presence, sir. We are ecstatic in expressing my gratitude to our Director, Production and Project, Sri G.V. Kiran, for his valuable presence today. We are always obliged to you, sir. Thank you. We are extremely grateful to Sri R.D. Prabhu, Chief General Manager in charge, Mangalore, for his presence. My sincere gratitude to Sri P. Palani, Chief General Manager, Production. Thank you, sir.
My gratitude extends to President of Dakshina Kannada Chess Association, Sri Ramesh Kota, for his presence. My gratitude extends to Madam Rita Verma for her presence. My sincere gratitude extends to International Arbiter Sri Vasant BH for conducting this function so meticulously. His arbitrary skills have no match and never leaves a stone unturned in judging the participants. My deep gratitude to you, sir, for taking time in judge this tournament. I would sincerely extend my gratefulness to the arbiters Sri Sakshat UK, Sri Umanath Kapu, and Srimati Saundarya UK, who are here to do very precise actively, appreciating their precision. I thank all the three for having accepted our request for being here with us today. Enthusiastic and exhausted after the long battle for 2 days, yes, my gratitude extends towards all the juniors and seniors present here. You have all done your level best, and splendid moves in adverse situation have been displayed in this tournament. Thank you all participants for participating in large numbers. The crowd in this tournament is really encouraging. We are indeed elated to having 376 numbers of participants. We are grateful to the players who have come here from around the nation to enthusiastically participate in this tournament. And this gives us a positive sensation for us to confidently move forward to conduct many more such tournaments in future. Thank you all participants for your sportive spirit and the love towards Kudremukh Trophy. Also, I take this opportunity to thank all parents of junior participants who are here for supporting and boosting the morale of children for participating in this tournament. Thank you. As gratitude is a blossom which springs from the soul, my thankfulness extends towards the coordinator chess committee Sri Chetan K. Shetty and all the active enthusiastic chess committee members for having worked hard enough to organize this event. I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of appreciation to all the chess committee members, employees of Human Resources Administration and Land and Estate Department for their earnest service to put in for organizing this event successfully. Also, I thank the Nehru Bhavan staff for their assistance. The involvement of many unseen hands has facilitated to conduct this event. We are fortunate enough to be backed by a team of motivated and dedicated colleagues who have strained hard to make this function a success. My heartfelt gratitude to all who have joined hands to making the program a success. I extend a hearty thanks to Sripati and CGM Services, Sri DC Swain GM BFU, all KSS Union office bearers, all KMS Union representatives, all SCST Association representatives, all employees, CSF assembled here, and special thanks to Mr. Puttraju. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, sir, for the warm gratitude. And thank you one and all who have assembled here, who are striving for excellence in the field of chess. For a height, there has to be a depth. I think the thrill of life is in holding up both. Sports events such as this are meant to showcase the collective talent of the youth rather than only recognizing winners. Congratulations all winners, and for the participative spirit of all the participants, congratulations to each one of you. Now we shall hand over the stage to the Chief Arbiter, International Arbiter, Shri B.H. Vasant sir, to call upon the winners of today's event.
Thank you, ma'am. Dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, I'm very happy to be here to read out the prize list.
Okay, we start from the open category, then young boys, young girls, then rating category 1-9, like that. So I request all of you to be here and we will finish off within no time. We'll have a blitz prize distribution ceremony. Are you ready? Yeah, that's it. So with this, can we have a big round of applause to the KOACL for the wonderful event? Thank you. All the dignitaries on the dais, please come forward to give the prizes for the winner of 6th Kudremukh Trophy All India Federated Rapid Chess Tournament is International Master Sharan Rao from Dakshina Kannada. Give him a big round of applause. Congratulations. Give me a big round of applause. I request all the next prize winners, please come. And I request all the prize winners, please stay back for some time. Let us have a very beautiful photograph and it will be a really memory for us. I request all of you to stay back and I'll finish off this, not to worry. Okay, all the prize winners category, all the 3 people will come together. Is it okay? Yeah, good. That's it. The runner-up is none other than FIDE Master Aaron Ravi Mendes from Canada. Give him a big round of applause. There was a 3-way tie for first runner-up to 4th place. Yeah, Sharan. Give him a big round of applause. This is Aaron Ravi Mendes from Canada. He scored 8 points and takes home rupees 20,000 plus trophy. And the second runner-up is none other than Mandar Pradeep from Goa, who also scored 8 points. Congratulations, Mandar. He takes home rupees 10,000 plus glittering trophy. Congratulations. Yeah. Thank you, sir. May I request Director Production and Projects, KOACL, Sri G.V. Kiran sir to come forward for the next prize. 4th place goes to Augustine from Karnataka, who scored 8 points and takes home rupees 8,000. I think he play every tournament in Karnataka. Give him a big round of applause. This is Augustine. And the 5th place goes to Ritwij Parab from Goa. He scored 7.5 points. Ritwij. Yeah. I request all the players, please come forward. Give him a big round of applause. This is Ritwij Parab from Goa. 6th place goes to Syed Anwar Sazuli from Tamil Nadu, ICF. He scored 7.5 points and takes home rupees 6,000. Give him a big round of applause. All these top players are continuously playing all the 6 tournaments. Give them a big round of applause. This is great gate. 7th place goes to Manigandan SS from Tamil Nadu, whose rating is 1892 and takes home rupees 5,000. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Managing Director MRPL, Sri Sanjay Verma sir to come forward. And the 8th place goes to Senthil Maran of Tamil Nadu, whose rating is 2084 and scored 7.5 points, takes home rupees 5,000. Give him a big round of applause. This is Senthil. He's a FIDE master. 9th place goes to Dhanush Ram from Dakshina Kannada. Very talented. Dhanush Ram. Yeah, congratulations. Give me a big round of applause. He scored 7 points and takes home rupees 5,000. 10th place goes to Gahani MG, FIDE Master Gahani MG from Dakshina Kannada, whose rating is 2182. Scored 7 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Give me a big round of applause. This is Gahani MG. 11th place goes to Pradeep Kumar Arya from Tamil Nadu. Pradeep Kumar. Yeah, he also scored 7 points. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Chief General Manager in charge Mangaluru, Sri R.D. Prabhu sir to come forward. The 12th place goes to Guganji from Tamil Nadu, whose rating is 1793 and scored 7 points. Takes home rupees 4,000 plus glittering trophy. Give him a big round of applause. And the 13th place goes to Shailesh R from Tamil Nadu once again, whose rating is 1905, and he also scored 7 points. Shailesh? I think Shailesh is not there. 14th place goes to Shibi Srinivas from Telangana. 14th place. I think he is not there. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. May I request Chief General Manager Production, Palani sir, to come forward. 15th place goes to FIDE Master Sharma, Preetham Sharma from Karnataka. Scored 7 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Give him a big round of applause. Lakshit Shalyan, 16th place. He also scored 7 points. Take home rupees 4,000. Give him a big round of applause. I request all the prize winners, please come little faster. You played blitz, no? Or rapid? Let us have a blitz prize distribution ceremony. I request you to come forward. 17th place goes to Sudarshan Bhatt from Karnataka. Scored 7 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Thank you, sir. Now may I request DKCA President Ramesh Kote sir to come forward. 18th place goes to Raghav Srivatsav from Telangana. He also scored 7 points. Raghav Srivatsav. I think he is not there. Okay, 19th place goes to Sriyana Malya from Dakshina Kannada. Congratulations, he also scored 7 points. 20th place goes to International Master Ravi Hegde. Scored 6.5 points. He left? Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. May I request Chief General Manager Services, Sri Sripati sir, to come forward. Yeah. 21st place goes to Manikanta Prabhu from Tamil Nadu. Yeah. Congratulations. Congratulations. 22nd place goes to Anish Naik from Goa. Yeah. On behalf of him, yeah, now on behalf of Anish Naik, yeah, he collects the prize from Goa. He scored 6 points. Give him a big round of applause. Let him collect his prize next time. Okay, give him a big round of applause. This is a trial for him. Okay, 23rd place goes to Advait UP from Dakshina Kannada. Okay. Thank you, sir. Now may I request General Manager of BFU, Devi Charan Swain, to come onto the dais, please. 24th place goes to Arjun Prabhu. Arjun Prabhu from Karnataka. Arjun, yeah, on behalf of him, he will collect. Okay. 25th place goes to Kanish Sagar from Goa. He also scored 6 points. Kanish, aaja bhai. Thank you, sir. Now may I request G.V. Kiran sir to come forward for the Youngest Boy Prize. Youngest boy goes to Samarth S. Pujar. He born in 25th February 2020. Give him a big round of applause. He belongs to Shimoga. Give him a big round of applause. This is Samarth S. Pujar. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Sanjay Verma sir to come forward for the Youngest Girl Prize. The youngest girl prize goes to Vikshita T. She born on 21st December 2018. She is also from Shimoga. Give her a big round of applause. This is Vikshita. Congratulations. Next category, below 1900. Rating category below 1900. I request all the three players, please come. Tarun, Surya and Navin Hegde. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Director Production and Projects, Shri G.V. Kiran sir to come forward. Yes, yes, sir. This is given by them, so I have to read here. Okay, the first place goes to Tarun, who scored 7 points. Tarun, Surya from Tamil Nadu, and Naveen Hegde from Karnataka. Give them a big round of applause. Next category below 1,800. Yeah. Naveen Hegde? Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, on behalf of Naveen Hegde, Ramchandra Bhatt will receive the prize. Rating category below 1800. First place goes to Anup Shankar from Tamil Nadu. He scored 7 points. Give him a big round of applause. Second place goes to Sachin P.S. from Karnataka, 6.5 points. Third place, Prashant J. Nayak from Karnataka. This is Anup Shankar from Tamil Nadu. Congratulations. Give him a big round of applause. Second place goes to Sachin P.S. Sachin P.S. He is from Karnataka and scored 6.5 points. Third place goes to Prashant J. Nayak from Mangalore, who scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,500. Next rating category below 1700. First place Adrij, second place Samarth, third place Arushi. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Director Production, Managing Director MRPL, Sanjay Verma sir to come forward, please. Sorry. Adrij scored 7 points and take home rupees 4,500. Give me a big round of applause. This is Adrij from Karnataka. The second place goes to Samarth J. Rao, who scored 6.5 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Give him a big round of applause. This is Samarth J. Rao. Congratulations. He represented India for the World Physically Challenged Player and got the medal there also. Congratulations, Samarth. Third place goes to Arushi. Arushi D. Silva from Dakshina Kannada scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,500 plus trophy. Next category below 1,600. First place goes to Leelajai Krishna. Okay, second place goes to Amritavasan from Kerala. Third place goes to Aryan Shamrao from Goa. Aryan, come fast. Yarilva. Aryan, yeah. Okay, instead of Aryan, third place. Third place. Yeah. Next category, below 1.5. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. The next category is below 1,500 rating. May I request Chief General Manager in charge, Shri R.D. Prabhu, sir, to come forward. Yeah. The first place goes to Eka Aniket from Goa, scored 6.5 points. Second place goes to Hriday Tukaram from Goa again. He also scored 6.5 points. Third place goes to Ravish Kote from Dakshina Kannada. Give me a big round of applause. This is Eka Aniket. Congratulations. The second place goes to Hriday. Give me a big round of applause. He also scored 6.5 points. Hriday, are you there? Yeah. Third place goes to Ravish Kote from Dakshina Kannada. He also scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,500 and a trophy. Congratulations. Below 1,400, first place goes to Advait Soman from Kerala. Advait. Second place goes to Joshua Mark from Goa. Third place goes to Savant Krishnan from Kerala. Advait Soman from Kerala. Give him a big round of applause. He scored 6.5 points. Takes home rupees 4,500 plus trophy. Second place goes to Joshua Mark. Yeah, congratulations. He also scored 6 points. Third place goes to Savant Krishnan. Yeah. Instead of Savant, he's collecting his prize. I request all the prize winners, please stay back for the group photo. Thank you, sir. May I request Chief General Manager Production, Palani sir, to come forward. Okay, below 1,300 rating, the first place goes to Samant B. Shetty from Karnataka, scored 6.5 points. Samant, congratulations. Second place goes to Aditya Telekar from Dakshina Kannada. Third place goes to Anish Yassi. Congratulations. Give them a big round of applause. Your encouragement makes them really a great player. And indeed, it is our pride to have such a great players in our state, in our country. Okay, next below 1,200. First place goes to Slok Vinay Kulkarni from Karnataka. Scored 6.5 points. He takes home rupees 4,500 plus trophy. Second place goes to Anvai Kamath from Karnataka. Scored 6 points. Third place goes to Sachit Pai from Goa. Congratulations. This is Anvai. Anvai Kamath from Karnataka. The third place goes to Sachit Pai from Goa. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. The next category is below 1,400. May I request President of DKCA, Sri Ramesh Kote sir, to come forward. The first place goes to Niharika K from Dakshina Kannada. Scored 6.5 points. Niharika, congratulations. And she takes home rupees 4,500 plus trophy. Second place goes to Angad HP from Karnataka again. He scored 6 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Third place goes to Indu Sheetala from Karnataka, Bangalore. She scored 5.5 points and takes home rupees 3,500. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Chief General Manager Services, Shripati sir, to come forward. Yeah. Unrated player category. The first place goes to Veeraj Siddesh from Karnataka. Veeraj. Yeah. Give him a big round of applause. This is Veeraj and scored 5.5 out of 9 rounds with this mask. The big round of applause is not enough for him. Yeah, congratulations, Veeraj. Second place goes to Kadam Vipul from Goa. Scored 5 points. Congratulations, Veeraj. This is Kadam Vipul from Goa. Scored 5 points. Then Anthony Santosh from Tamil Nadu, third place, he scored 5 points. Now the best veteran prize goes to R.K. Gupta. R.K. Gupta sir, जल्दी आइए. आप ये टूर्नामेंट में बहुत छोटा सा बहुत छोटा उम्र का बच्चे आप ही है ना सर? Gupta sir. Yes. Yeah, many times. Yeah, he says he is just 16 into 5 times. Okay, Gupta sir scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,500 plus trophy. Second place goes to Ramchandra Bhatt from Karnataka. He is a chess coach, a veteran player from Sirsi. He scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,000. Third place goes to Prasanna Swami from Kerala. She is also a coach. She and her husband Swami. Yeah, congratulations ma'am. She also scored 5.5 points and takes home rupees 2,500 plus trophy. She was playing a long game. Her husband was restless outside and he was asking, still my wife is playing inside? Yeah, this is how they are. Give them a big round of applause. Swami, yeah. Best female prize, above 16 years, 16 and above. First place goes to Panchami. Panchami Shenoy from Dakshina Kannada scored 6 points. Congratulations. Second place goes to Udupi Avani Acharya. She is also from Karnataka, scored 6 points. Congratulations. Third place goes to Shruti Shreya from Jharkhand. Shruti from Jharkhand, she scored 5.5 points. Congratulations. I request all the dignitaries on the dais to come for the KIOCL prize. Okay, KIOCL prize goes to Gaur Kumar from Gaur Kumar, he scored 5 points, takes home rupees 4,000. Give a big round of applause. The next category, physically challenged. Prize goes to Sinchana G. Nayak. Sinchana, please come to the dais, please. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Now I request G.V. Kiran, sir, to, this is your favorite section, sir. Under 5. Under 5, yes, you love it. Okay, the first prize goes to Samrat Belchada from Karnataka, scored 3 points. Give a big round of applause. This is Samrat. Second place goes to Atreya Ram. Atreya Ram scored 2 points. Samarthyas Pujar, you already got in the other prize, so it's not there. Under 6 boys. Under 6 boys. First place goes to Evan Antonio Taylors from Goa. He scored 4 points. Under 6. Under 6, he scored 4 points. Please welcome Evan Antonio from Goa, whose rating is 1030. Give him a big round of applause. This is Evan Antonio from Goa. Second place goes to Ikshwas Raman from Karnataka. Ikshwaku Raman. Give them a big round of applause. This is Ikshwaku from Karnataka. Advik Shetty. Please be ready. Give him a big round of applause. This is Ikshwaku Raman. Advik third. Next, under 7 boys. Next, under 7. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Managing Director, Sri Sanjay Verma, sir, to come forward. Under 7 boys, first prize goes to Prayank Gavankar from Goa. Prayank. Congratulations. He scored 5 points. And whose rating is 102028. He is from Goa. Give him a big round of applause. Second place goes to Imba Dinesh Babu from Tamil Nadu. Inba. He is also having a rating of 1052 and scored 5 points. Third place goes to Srinit Sheth from Karnataka. Scored 4 points. Underside Puma. Okay. Fourth place goes to Devdan Vinod from Kerala. Devdan. Give him a big round of applause. This is Devdan from Kerala, who scored 3 points. Fifth place goes to Adamaran Alex from Dakshina Kannada. Scored 3 points. Give him a big round of applause. Next, under 7 girls category. First place goes to Varenya Shanai. I request all the prize winners, please stay back. In another 5 minutes, we'll have a photographic section. Winners, please come to the right side of the dais, please. Okay, under 7 girls, Varenya. First place. Second place goes to Shivanya Rao. This is Varenya. Shivanya Rao. Second place. Third place goes to Chaudhary Madhukiran. Chandri Madhukiran from Dakshina Kannada. Third place. Fourth place goes to Shrutakirti Shanai, Nitte. Smile. Very good. Congratulations. Shrutakirti Shanai from Karnataka. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Chief General Manager. Sorry. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Chief General Manager in charge Mangaluru, Sri R.D. Prabhu, sir, to come forward. Best under 8 boys. First place goes to Advik Abhinav Krishna from Karnataka, 5 points. Second place goes to Aditya from Meghalaya. Meghalaya Association, yes. Advitya scored 5 points. Give him a big round of applause. Third place goes to Bhavit Pradeep Shetty from Karnataka. Scored 4 points. Congratulations. I request all the prize winners, please stay back for 5 minutes. Fourth place goes to Kiansh Gowda. He also scored 4 points. Fifth place goes to Vignesh Reddy from Andhra Pradesh. 3.5 points. Next, under 8 girls. Yeah. Next, under 8 girls. First place goes to Sanvita Shetty. Second place goes to Vanya Vaibhav from Goa. Vanya. Yeah. And the third place goes to Tashvi Salian from Dakshina Kannada. Best under 9. First place goes to Avanish Devadiga. Scored 5 points. Congratulations. Under 9 boys. First place goes to Avanish Devadiga. Scored 5 points. Whose rating is 1153. Second place goes to Divyansh Manohar from Karnataka. He also scored 5 points. Give them a big round of applause. Your encouragement really makes them proud. Third place goes to Ayu Atindra Shetty from Dakshina Kannada. Scored 4 points. Fourth place goes to Ahan Panikar from Dakshina Kannada. Congratulations. Fifth place goes to Nishchit Gurkar from Karnataka. He also scored 4 points. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Sri Palani sir to come forward, sir. Okay, under 9 girls. First place goes to Tishvi Desai from Goa. 4.5 points. Second place goes to Avani Savaikar from Goa again. Avani. Third place goes to Shreya Bandokar from Goa again. All the 3 places goes to Goa. And the fourth place goes to Prashansa from Dakshina Kannada. Yeah, this is fourth, Prashansa. Fourth. Fifth place goes to Suzanne Karol from Dakshina Kannada. Next, under 10 boys category, first place goes to Ishan Bansali. Ishan Bansali scored 6 points, whose rating is 1253 and scored 6 points out of 9. Give him a big round of applause. This is Ishan Bansali. Second place goes to Shaurya Prabhu from Goa, whose rating is 1059. He also scored 5 points. Shaurya Prabhu. Shaurya Prabhu, please. Third place goes to Sanjeev Kumaran. Shaurya Prabhu. Third place goes to Sanjeev Kumaran. Fourth place goes to Varhan Shetty. Varhan Shetty. Yeah. Okay. On behalf of Varhan, he is collecting. Fifth place goes to Faisal Salman from Tamil Nadu. Best under 10 girls. First place goes to Rizel Alida D'Souza from Dakshina Kannada. Scored 5 points. Second place goes to Samriti from Goa. 4.5 points. Third place goes to Diya Nayak from Goa again, whose rating is 1055. She scored 4 points. Fourth place, Fatima Rizwa from Kerala. Fatima Rizwa. Huh? Okay, Fatima is not there. Fourth place is not there. Fifth place goes Sinchana MS from Karnataka. Thank you, sir. Now may I request DKCA President Sri Ramesh Kote sir to come forward. Under 11 boys category, first place goes to Vihan Adarsh Lobo from Dakshina Kannada. Vihan Adarsh Lobo scored 5.5 points. Second place goes to Ivan Rafael Arana from Dakshina Kannada. He also scored 5.5 points. Second place goes to Vihan Shetty from Dakshina Kannada. 5 points. Fourth place, Samarth Bhatt. Yeah. Yarilla? Manu, okay, okay. On behalf of Samarth Bhatt, he is collecting the prize. 5th place goes to Manu. Yeah. He will collect on behalf of them. Under 11 girls, first place goes to Janvi Malya from Karnataka, 4 points. Point. Utsavi, second place goes to Utsavi, Karnataka, scored 4 points. Third place goes to Moksha, she is also from Karnataka, 3.5 points. Sanidhya Rao, 4th place. Moksha, Sanidhya Rao, 4th place. 5th place goes to Advika. Okay. On behalf of Sanidhya, she is collecting. Huh? Okay, good. On behalf of Advika, he will collect the prize.
Shri Putraju, agent PO to CMD.
Radlana. Okay, thank you, sir. Next category, under 12 boys. May I request Shri Putraju, sir? AGM. Yeah, please come to the dais, please. Yeah. The first place goes to Arush Bhatt. He scored 6 points. 6 points. Give a big round of applause. This is Arush. Second place goes to Ritesh from Karnataka, who also scored 6 points and rating is 1264. They are all rated players. Third place goes to Samarth Arun Upadhyaya. He also scored 6 points. Samarth. Fourth place goes to Jovet Jibin from Kerala. He scored 4.5 points. On behalf of Sanmai, he is collecting the prize. Under 12 girls, first place goes to Adya Shetty, scored 5.5 points. Adya Shetty. Second place goes to Adya AH. Adya AH? Yeah. Third place goes to Lincia from Dakshinada. She also scored 5 points. Fourth place goes to Mrinalini MR. Scored 5 points. Mrinalini. Yeah. Rachita, 5th place. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Senior Manager, HR and A, Sri Chetan K. Shetty to come to the dais. Sorry. So under 13 boys, first place goes to Achintya Bhatt. He scored 6 points. Give him a big round of applause. Second place goes to Abhinav Acharya. He also scored 6 points. Abhinav Acharya. Third place goes to Navneet from Kerala. Scored 6 points. Navneet. He's not there? Okay. Yeah, Navneet. This is Navneet. Yeah, sorry. Fourth place goes to Dhairya Kumar Mistry from Kerala. He scored 5.5 points. Fifth place goes to Pagi Sarwang from Goa. He also scored 5.5 points. Best under 13 girls. First place goes to Shraddha Yasrai. She scored 6 points. Second place goes to Aradhya Yashetty. She also scored 5 points. Third place goes to Syed Maiza from Goa. Scored 5 points. Fourth place goes to Durgavi from Karnataka. Durganvi. She also scored 5 points. Shreya Suvarna, 5th place. Okay, thank you, sir. Next category, best under 14 boys. May I request Director Sri G.V. Kiran sir to come forward. Best under 14. First place goes to Shreyas K. Patil. Second place goes to Madhav S. Nair. Third place goes to Anshul Panikar from Dakshina Kannada. Scored 6 points. क्विक बोर्ड में वो बोर्ड में चेंज ओके ओके. Fourth place goes to Aradhya Bhattacharya. Scored 6 points. Aradhya Bhattacharya. Sorry, I spelled wrong. Yeah, Aradhya Bhattacharya. Fifth place goes to Sushant Vaman Shetty. Next. Okay, thank you, sir. So, under 14 girls, may I request Tarnath Rai, DGM. Tarnath Rai, DGM to come forward. Under 14 girls. Yeah. First place goes to Anaga Abhinav from Karnataka. Second place goes to Naja Fatima from Kerala. Scored 5.5 points. Third place goes to Aditi Shetty from Karnataka. 5.5 points. Aditi. Yep. Fourth place goes to Shanvi Chanila from Dakshina Kannada. Scored 5 points. Fourth place. Fifth place goes to Shravya. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Ronald M. Paez, sir, to come forward. Manager HR, please come to the dais, sir. Under 15 boys, first place goes to Dhanvin Vinod from Kerala, 5.5 points. Second place goes to Artha KS from Karnataka, 5.5 points. Third place goes to Gagan Mutagi, 5 points. Fourth place goes to Dharnesh Hegde. Yeah. Fourth place goes to Dharnesh Hegde. He also scored 5 points. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Sudhir Kumar, manager, processing, to come forward. Under 15 girls, first place goes to Syed Madhya from Goa. Sir. Okay. Fifth place. Sagar Shetty. Yeah. Fifth place, Sagar Shetty. Bani, Nive, Sudhir. Under 15 girls, first place goes to Syed Madhya. Second place goes to Sinchana G. Bhatt. Sinchana is not there. Third place goes to Monisha. Scored 4 points. Fourth place goes to Gauri K. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Senior Manager HR, Sri Chetan Shetty, sir, to come forward. For the best Dakshina Kannada prize, first place goes to Siddhant Prabhu. 6 points, Siddhant Prabhu. All the Dakshina Kannada, please be ready, and all the players be ready for the photograph section. This is the last set. Second place goes to Praveen Kamath. 6 points. Third place goes to Nayaz Ahmad. 6 points. Praveen Kamath. Yeah, Praveen is not there. Nayaz Ahmad. Third place goes to Samuel Ajit. Fifth place goes to Drikshu Vasant. 5.5 points. Drikshu Vasant. Yeah, I think he is not there. Thank you, sir. May I request President of DKCA, Mr. Ramesh Kote, sir, to come forward. Goes to Gagandeep Shetty. Seventh place goes to Vishak Matti Rao from Dakshina Kannada. Yeah. Okay, sorry. 5.5 points. Eighth place goes to Nishant G. 5.5 points. I request all the prize winners, please come to the dais, please, for the photograph. Ninth place goes to Madhusudan Bhatt. 5 points. Madhusudan. And 10th place goes to Kashyap Alva. Kashyap. Yeah. Yeah. Kashyap Alva. Yeah. I request all the prize winners, first, second, third, please come to the dais.